In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Keep Chrome extension, a tool that can really enhance your note-taking capabilities right within your browser. If you're someone who juggles multiple notes and ideas throughout the day, or you just like having everything neatly organized in one place, Google Keep is a fantastic resource that's just a few clicks away. Let's get started. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. You'll want to navigate to the top right corner where you'll find a grid icon, often referred to as the apps icon. Clicking on this is your gateway to accessing the many extensions that can optimize your Chrome experience. Now from the apps, scroll down until you locate the Chrome Web Store and click on it. The Chrome Web Store is your one-stop shop for all browser extensions. Here in the search bar at the top left, type in Google Keep extension. This will direct you to a list of results where Google Keep should appear amongst the options. Once you've found it, you need to click on Add to Chrome. This initiates the download process. To confirm, you'll have to click on Add Extension, which will allow the extension to be installed on your browser. It's a pretty quick process. You may notice a small spinning icon indicating the download and installation. After you've successfully installed the Google Keep extension, direct your attention back to the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll notice the Google Keep icon has appeared among your other extensions. Right click on this icon and select Pin. This will keep it visible and easily accessible whenever you're using your browser. Now that everything is set up, you can start using Google Keep to take down notes. Suppose you're browsing the web and come across something you want to remember or review later, simply click on the Google Keep extension icon. This allows you to create a new note right there without navigating away from the website. And if you've got a lot of notes to organize, it's a great idea to label them for faster access later. Labels can be things like work or study or personal, whatever categories work best for you. If at any point you want to use the full features of Google Keep, such as adding images to your notes or setting reminders, you can click on the extension icon, which will take you to the Google Keep main page. Here you'll find all your notes collected in a single place, ready for you to review, edit, or organize further. It's incredibly versatile and easy to manage from one spot. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively use the Google Keep Chrome extension to streamline your note-taking process, keeping all your important information organized and accessible in one convenient tool. Happy noting!